What is going up, everybody? Hope everybody's having a fantastic day today. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the trade that I had today on PTI. This stock is crazy. This went from around, I don't even know how much it was yesterday. So this stock was hit a low of 185 yesterday. Now this stock just hit 818, excuse me. It was up over 200% pre-market, and it went up another 120 something when the bell rang, and I made a little bit of money off it, around 352 right here. You know, I went large size, low risk. The gap and go setup, that is the go-to setup when trading pre-market gappers. Alrighty, so let's talk about my trade here. I don't know why it's kind of glitchy, but okay, so like I said, this stock was gapping up a enormous amount. The only thing I was worried about was it was a little on the overcrowded side. It did have around 8 million shares traded pre-market, which is a lot. So really, I just wanted to make sure I would be able to get in and out of trades with ease. And, you know, I wasn't too worried, to be honest. I knew we had that upward momentum. It was maintaining pre-market highs because when it hit the high, it did not just continue to fall down, you know, back down. It stayed within a reasonable amount right here. And then, so what I did is I placed a limit order at around 650, just because that is where that pre-market highs, though that's where it was. So as we got a huge gap up here, I got filled at 650, and then we had this huge explosion, and then we had some consolidation area. I took profits on the first pullback here, and I did not have this large of a position. I only had half of that, you know, the first time. And then I did rebuy into it. I bought back into it on the flat, on this little flag out. I bought in over the first red candle, so I broke in at around $7 was my entry. My stop was below this moving average line, because I knew if it broke that, then it would most likely continue to fall. Kind of similar to what happened here, how once it broke through that, it immediately fell. We can zoom into this if you guys want. If this will be a little easier. Yeah, that would look a little cleaner here. Alright, so let's lay out my entry. Entry was, you know, that 650 area. My first profit was right here at around $7. And just from that, that's around, you know, a 50-cent you know, profit. So that was where I made majority of this cash from. And then I had a larger size, bought in over the first, you know, green to break over this red. Bought in at around $7. I'm not sure if it was here or here. Might have been here on this little fake breakout here. And I did have my stop below here, so the risk was, you know, I thought this stock could possibly push up to $8, and I thought I could risk, you know, 10 or 20 cents to make a full dollar for my risk to reward ratio. So that's what I did. I bought back in, and it pushed back up eventually, and, you know, I waited for the first, you know, red candlestick to break below the red, so that was around right here, the 750 area. So this was another 50 cent profit, which was fantastic, and I had a profit of $352. So that was my trade from today. Pre-market gapper, called it out early this morning. Where was it? All right, so I actually called this stock out right here at 8:48 a.m. and kind of just went through, my trades, all green today. Just a fantastic overall profit. So, that's why I love trading these pre-market gappers. A lot of people like to trade, those stocks that don't move as much, but if you can manage your risk, I will have no issue ever trading these stocks. This stock actually pushed all the way up to 838, and it most likely will push back up if it can. But right now it looks like it's falling down pretty hard. So we'll see. Because normally this moving average, this 20 moving average line, is kind of used as a support line, as you guys can see. It kind of, if it tests it, it pushes up. It tests it here, pushed up. Test it here, it got pushed up. Now it looks like it's testing it here, and now this is where it's going to have some deciding issues. So, that's it. If you guys want to be part of the trading chat room here, I'll put that in the link down below for you guys. And then if you guys want to support me in my videos, I'll greatly appreciate it. Drop me a subscribe right here. Right there. Drop me a subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate it. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please sure to like, subscribe, comment if you got in PTI today. I would love to hear it. And if you guys want to be part of the trading team, just join the chat room. It's very fun. It's awesome. Alright, so that's it though. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of the week.